This is a JBL Tour ONE M3, JBL's latest flagship over-ear headphones for 2025, featuring next-gen noise cancellation, immersive spatial sound, and the all-new Smart TX wireless dongle for Bluetooth free streaming. As soon as you open the box, everything feels premium. The soft matte finish, padded headband, and folding ear cups make this perfect for travel and everyday use. Inside the case, you'll find headphones, a USB-C charging cable, 3.5mm AUX cable, an airplane adapter, and the standout feature, JBL's Smart TX dongle. Now, we actually used this out and about on the streets to see how it actually worked, and we actually loved these headphones. The Tour ONE M3 is all about flexibility. You can use them wirelessly over Bluetooth or plug the Smart TX dongle into any USB-C or AUX port to stream wirelessly from devices that don't even support Bluetooth. That includes in-flight entertainment screens, gaming consoles, older laptops, and even some TVs. It's a game changer if you travel often or want a seamless connection in more places. I actually used it myself on a plane coming back from the Philippines, and it was great to be able to connect it to the in-flight system. Now let's talk about sound, the most important part. The audio signature is clean and spacious, with tight bass, clear vocals, and well-balanced mids. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming, the soundstage feels wide and immersive. And guys, that's even before you enable Spatial 360 sound with head tracking. The spatial sound makes a notable difference. When watching movies or playing games, it tracks your head movements to keep sound centered, simulating a real-world audio environment. It's one of the few headphones that makes this feature feel natural instead of gimmicky. Active noise cancellation has also been upgraded. The adaptive ANC uses internal mics to automatically adjust to your surroundings. Whether you're walking outdoors, working at a cafe, or flying, it blocks low-frequency engine noise, background chatter, and even some wind without flattening the music. And again, I tested this on an airplane and I couldn't hear anything around me. The JBL headphone app gives you full control over EQ presets, ANC intensity, and button customization. You can also update firmware and fine-tune other preferences. It's a smooth overall experience. As for comfort, the Tour ONE M3 is lightweight, the ear cups are plush without overheating, and the clamping force is secure but not tight. I wore them for a few hours straight while editing and traveling and didn't experience any discomfort. I also used them at the gym as well, as you can see here, and they were great on workouts, and really I could focus on what I was doing. So first impressions, the JBL Tour ONE M3 delivers on all fronts. Excellent sound quality, premium noise cancelling, impressive spatial features, and the versatility of Smart TX. The first time I've seen that in headphones. It's a game changer. If you're after flagship headphones that do more than just play music, this is one of the most complete packages in 2025.